not get the concept?
Hey guys, it's your girl Shanice and welcome to another weekly vlog. As you can see, your girl is out and about as usual because y'all never catch me inside. Like, who have I become? Like, I'm a homebody at heart, so the fact that every time I start a vlog I'm in the car out and about going somewhere doing something, I love that for me because, you know, we have to stay on top of the vlogs. Consistency is the name of the game and your girl has been trying real hard to stay consistent. So if you love the consistency, don't forget to leave a like on this video, share with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the gang. So guys, it is, what day is it? I don't even have my extra phone with me. It is Wednesday and I feel like midweek is like the perfect time to like start a vlog because, you know, Monday kind of fresh, but I feel like by midweek you're in the throes of things, you're out and about, you're moving, and then it can go into the weekend, you know, end with a bang with all the festivities. So today I just ran on the road real quick to grab some fabric because the girl has been busy. I don't know about anybody, but this season has been very busy for me and I'm so grateful. I've been getting so many orders. Last time we spoke I told you that summer is upon us, so the girlies are, you know, tapping in for their swimwear, vacation wear, graduation wear. So today I'm actually making a graduation dress and I have to make a quick stop at the fabric store to get some white fabric. I'm not gonna really take you guys in there because every day I go to that fabric store with me, like I take y'all along with me all the time, but you know it kind of gets a little bit boring and I don't want to bore y'all, so run in, run out. Also looking some accessories because she wants like a little beaded detail on the sleeves, and then I won a little giveaway on Instagram, so I'm going to collect my prize. Super excited because it is from a brand that I know and love. I got something from them already. I literally won something last year and I think I showed y'all a little sneak peek / preview of all the goodies that I got, and this Father's Day, or the past Father's Day, they had another giveaway. And to be honest, I wasn't going to enter, you know. I was like, you know how it is. I don't really speak about my father on here for multiple reasons, but it was just one of those, you know, periods of my life, or on that day I was just going through it a little bit. And I remember scrolling on my Instagram, I'm like, sure, I'm gonna enter a giveaway, blah blah blah. And then one man said, just enter, because even if you don't win, just do it for the plot, right? So I was like, okay, let me enter. Didn't think anything of it. Lo and behold, your girl won. Like, I mean, I don't know when I get so lucky if I win like all of these giveaways, but I'm not sad about it, and it just gives me the opportunity to, you know, create content. So I've been in a little rut lately, and this giveaway is basically gonna give me that little push I need to, you know, create some content, unboxing, just showcasing the brand, and I just love that for us. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, guys, go ahead and drop down below a couple emojis that signify me, like what you think about me. Am I like the perky girl, the quirky girl, the nerdy girl? Like whatever it is that you think of me, drop some emojis in the comments and let me know how you feel. So yeah, let's go and grab what we need and come back. Guys, I'm in trimming and things, looking accessories. I'm looking some pearls for the dress. I found some nice ones, but you know I have to look for other things too. Find 4. Yeah, that looks like it.
The bigger one, but a different shapes.
Oh, I want like a true white. So this is giving her true white, but this is also nice. You know, look too yellow.
And not too white.
Yeah, and not too white. I think I'll take about 4 packs.
And this one?
Yeah. Yes, a 200 each.
Thank you very much. Have a good afternoon.
Thank you too. Guys, I'm in my favorite place ever. My favorite person ever. Yeah? Not suited at all. I just meant Pablo's, not suiting. I don't make suits. I saw swimwear cover ups. If you guys need all those stuff, check me out at Couture_J on Instagram. But yeah, today I'm come for some niceness, people. But I'm not gonna spend too much time in here. We got to go in under 20 minutes. Okay, let's check out in under 20 minutes. You think we can do that?
Sure.
Alright, let's go. guys, so I just pulled up at, where am I? I'm actually on Waterloo. Hi, afternoon. I'm going to Daniel CB Foods.
No, you talk too soft.
Daniel CB Foods.
Eh?
Daniel, Miss Daniel CB Foods.
You come to Daniel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just to pick up something. Can let her know I'm
You
here.
can call it.
Alright.
I'm gonna make your park right here.
Right there?
So, you
Alright.
back up, yeah?
Yeah, man, no problem. It's like, do I? Wow, the girl bad from the parking these days, you know, guys. Streets. I'm gonna call Daniel. So it seems that Daniel is not in office today, or I'm not sure if she's here, but no one has seen her. I've been trying to call her, not getting through, so I may have to go ahead and reschedule this pickup. But I don't know when again I'm coming back into Kingston, so I may have to have my bearer pick up for me. But listen, place very festive. It's a whole vibe over here. CB, if y'all are hiring, hit a girl up, because yeah, it's a whole vibe. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can go and grab the boys, but before I do so, I need some lunch. So we're gonna try and get something to eat, and then we'll go and grab the kiddies, and hopefully we can get home in good time. So yeah. Aw, thank you. I was about to leave, and thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks. Alright. Alright, thank you. Hey guys, I got the goodie bag. How is it all, gang? Guys, I'm so tired. Here I am, right? Collected my package and everything. Here I am racing to collect my kiddies, because obviously a girl has been starving, but I'm like, food or kids? Food or kids? So, you know, I did the mother thing and decided to skip food and go and pick up the kids. So I'm racing over here, only for reach at the toll booth, and only one lane, right? Like, listen, I don't need for the better. I got donut, by the way, at the boulevard, and people, why them charge me $1,000 for a donut? I remember when donut was like 500, then it moved to 6, it crawled up to 7, then 8, because in Spain I pay $800 for a donut. Tell me why them jump from 8 to a whole grand for a box of donuts. Mind you, Prestige is, you know, chef's kiss the best, but grand for a donut, I feel like them are rob me, but I'm gonna make it slide this time. But yeah, guys, driving in, tired, my back hurt me, my foot hurt me, my hand hurt me. Like, oh, people drive every day, go work, to and fro, in traffic. Nobody warned you how tiring and draining driving can be, and how painful, because my back hurt me. Feel like my hand in a one position for 10 years. My feet has literal calluses, guys. I'm not telling no lie. You know people call can? Yeah, so my foot bottom stiff. But I guess that's my fault, because I drive barefooted. So like my feet are like, well, my foot, because I use my right foot for driving. Both feet. You use a 2 foot for drive, girl, stop it. My foot is like directly on the pedals, so you know that work. The line they open up or a tug. So it can't, people, I need to start driving in shoes. But anytime I drive in shoes, it's like I can't gauge the pedals, especially the brake. Like sometimes I some sharp brake, I go some. If me in shoes, my feet need to be directly in contact with the pedal for me to drive safe. And if I don't want to drive safe on the road, this is what has to go on. But I can't manage a can up foot, so maybe a solution is either I need socks, something, but there needs to be some kind of cushion between my foot and the pedal. But yeah, I'm just in a ranting mood, because today I am just being tried. I'm hungry. Oh, you know that is it. I am hungry, guys. You ever hear them say a hungry man is an angry man? I mean that. I come hungry. So I reach home, I forgot to try to find something to eat. And I wanted to get the boys patties, you know, like I feel parent guilt or mom guilt every time I go on the road and I don't get anything for the boys. I just feel so bad, especially patties, because I know them love patty. I wanted to get them something. I wanted to get myself something. But at this point, it don't look pretty, guys. And it look like them I get nothing today. But I mean, it's Wednesday, and I did promise myself that I'm gonna stop splurging during the week and only buy food weekend. But you know, Afternoon. Really?
Yeah.
So let's stop work. I'm gonna change it. Alright, thank you. Every day I drive through them tell me go get replacement. I know. I ain't getting no replacement. But yeah guys, let's go and grab these kids. Get home, find food, and open my little goodie bags. If y'all want to see a little unboxing of my goodie bags, stay tuned. So we're back home and I'm ready to unbox my little goodie bag courtesy of CB Foods, and it's a lot of deliciousness.
Hello, and me, Jamel. You can't see me because I'm kind of short. Say hi, guys. I'm kind of short.
Kind of short, you're very tall, you're not short. So yeah, I'm unboxing my goodie bag. So it came in this lovely shopping bag, which I'll be repurposing, of course. And then let's see what's inside. So first up, we have some air chilled chicken. Jamie, you cannot.
Guys, I gave you a sneak peek. Like and subscribe for us.
What? Where'd you say go?
You said to subscribe for us.
Oh, you said to subscribe.
No, Mommy,
Hit that subscribe button.
I showed you. Look, Mom, when you're done, look at my sneak peek and you subscribe.
Okay, alright, cool. So first up, we have this 8-cut air chilled chicken. So this is like mixed parts. It says it's antibiotic free, hormone free, and certified safe.
Next door, Mommy, can you buy some more KFC chicken?
This is what we're gonna use to make the KFC chicken. So of course I'll be trying out new recipes. So I'm gonna use this and make Jamir his KFC chicken as per his request.
This is my second time gonna have KFC chicken.
Yeah, they're not big fans of chicken, so you know that. Go get off the counter, please. Next up, we do have some freshly chopped copperwood pork. I've never seen this before in the supermarket, but yeah, it's a product of Jamaica, distributed by CB Foods, and it's 3 pieces of pork. You know I'm a pork fan already, so this is it. Next we have some bacon, and this is their renowned streaky bacon. Like, I've heard so many good things about it. It has no MSG, no artificial coloring, and it's also gluten free. Definitely gonna whip up some breakfast with this. And last but not least in the goodie bag is this chicken chub ham. I don't know if you guys have been seeing the bag of trouble with the chicken cause on social media, but they have like the chicken chub ham, like the pork, like so many different types. I've had the chicken before, so this is definitely going in the stash. It's very good, so you can add it to your breakfast, you can add it to pizza and stuff like that. So definitely looking to chefing it up with this. But yeah, that's it for my little goodie bag. And they also gave me the shopping bag, which is gonna come in handy if you know supermarket runs. But thanks again, CB. I really love this goodie bag. And I can't wait to try some new recipes with all of my goodies. So yeah.
And also like and subscribe.
Yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've made
just
it this far into the video.
And
just giving you a gentle reminder to subscribe.
And if anybody didn't, you're not getting any of the KFC.
Alright, so no KFC if you don't subscribe, so go ahead and subscribe, guys. So yeah, I'll catch you all a little bit later. I'm gonna put these in the freezer, and probably one day another week we can whip up some. So yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah.
Bye.
Like and subscribe again.
Bye.
20 times if you can.
Bye.
Mommy, can you add an infinite like counter?
No, YouTube doesn't do that.
Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you.
Morning.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I alone what I could do this morning. Jump in.
Go.
Yeah, you can jump in. Morning, sure.
Hi guys.
Guys, we have a full house this morning on our way to
I'm not
school.
gonna tell you my secret. I broke the handle from from the toilet paper, and Mommy was crazy about it. And if Daddy watching this, he's gonna be furious.
So Daddy, do you hear that? So the guys are confessing their deepest, darkest secrets.
And
Jamir break off the toilet paper holder, and I was like, why is this thing on the floor? If it just break off, all of a find out say, Jamir do it. So you see, confession is good for the soul.
And I licked up off the ground like food like sauce. And I have another dark secret.
What's your dark secret? Guys, this is Ziddy, new character unlocked. Say hi, Ziddy. So this Ziddy is actually Zuri's brother, for those of you who don't know. But you don't know Zuri. Zuri very active on the vlog.
My final dark secret is
What's your dark secret, Javi?
I lose, I get furious and just rage quit.
Oh, you rage quit your games?
Yeah,
That's
if I lose once, I just rage quit and rage quit.
My dark secret now is anytime playing Blue Lock Rivals on Roblox and I lose like 2 or 3 matches, I just rage quit and nearly break my tablet with the hammer.
Oh my god! Is that serious? The game is that serious for you to break your tablet?
What I do.
Oh my god,
That's
these are
exactly what I do.
crazy.
When I'm playing rivals and my teammate is not doing anything, I just rage quit. I want to tell my
Let Zuri go and tell her secret.
But one time I ate dirt.
Yeah!
Wait, why you said when you ate dirt?
I ate dirt for different reasons. I was lacking something, right? I was lacking some nutrients.
And I licked a tree.
Yeah! Javier turn.
Disgusting.
if I
Come over, let us see.
forever, if I get beaten from, if Javi beat me in a game, I'm smashing a tab.
What? You can't do that. Zura eat leaf and trees. Zura. Alright guys, we're gonna jump off these kiddies and get back home. Because we have so much to do. Say bye.
Bye.
No, no cannot.
I don't wanna go.
Wasn't the only one calling the table turned. He had to break, but there I got lonely. I needed some advice. He gave me.
So we have our fabric for our graduation dress, and this is the inspo we're working with. She wants it in off-white with a wide neck, a pencil cut, some beaded details, and she loves the dart on that one. So it's giving very structured, very cutesy, very classy, and just stay tuned to see the end results. And what is it to ya? You know, may I keep it on there? Yeah, may I keep it on?
The greatest gift that you can give yourself is to find something that you're naturally adept at and figure out a way to make a living at it. Because if you do that, every day will be a play day. You're never battling upstream. You love what you do, and if you love what you do, if you love what you do, why do you want to stop doing it and then go out and try to find something that you like better?
You just need like 100 million and we pull through.
Who's this we? Am I wishing? No, yeah, we are go. Okay. You get $100 million right now.
You can go, sir.
Sorry, fear.
You can do that.
Where is it?
Hey, before you go, why you look over me?
There's no void, Nick.
Where? You can agree? Imagine.
Avoid it, Shanice. Let's hear a little commotion for the graduation dress, shall we? This is how it's looking at about 99% done. Let me know if it looks like what the inspo pic was like. All that stuff to do here is to just sew on the beads on the sleeves and then we'll be good to go. Oh, you see me from so far. So what's up? What are you doing here?
Walking around showing people gigs.
You're showing people that? What does that mean? What does that mean?
There's someone dying.
Oh my God, Jack, that's so boring. Come to the gate. Come to the gate. You want money?
Yeah.
I don't have any money.
Wow, that was.
What you saying?
You didn't give me any money.
What does that mean?
I'm poor.
I'm poor?
Yeah.
Ah, can't believe you said I'm poor, Javi. Can't believe it. Think that's funny?
Yeah.
Get in the car, bro. Take your drawing with you. People, Javi literally called me poor just now.
Look what I draw.
Like, why are you calling me poor? I don't appreciate that at all. Your mother got some money. Just because I'm going to give you no money today, all of a sudden I'm poor. Tomorrow is Friday. You'll get money for Friday so you can buy what you want. Is that okay?
Okay. And can you come in today?
No, I'm not coming to your school. Why not come to school so much?
Because I heard Orion Morgan and Brio doing the because they don't like how people react, how rude.
Oh, so I'm going to come to school, no problem. So Javi made a drawing. Should I show them the drawing? So apparently this is some slaughtering going on. Javi, I think this is very disturbing, don't you think? Please explain this video to the people them. What is going on in the image?
It like someone like this person portrayed him and now he just
So this person betrayed him and he killed him?
yeah, and look how much blood went over.
So this is all the blood? Oh my God, I think we
and
need
look,
to...
this is all the rest of the blood. Is it cool?
No, it's not cool. Sit down and put on your seatbelt. We need to talk to your father about this whole ritual.
Yeah.
This is this.
Don't do it. If you do it, he will turn everything on my tab to pig.
Good. He's gonna turn your tab and the games that you play. Like you're gonna get banned. Okay, but Javi, I don't know, guys. I don't know what to think of this, but we move. Let's go get Jameer and then we're heading home. I might make some dinner today or late lunch. I don't know. I have some ackee that my grandfather sent for me. I have saltfish, so I might make ackee and saltfish, but I don't know what I want to eat with it, like rice, flour. So we're just gonna have to figure that out when we get home. Alright, put on your seatbelts and let's go.
This look like a sword.
So Javi's showing everybody's picture. It's some fighters, some fighting.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. This look like
Blood, exactly.
Yeah.
What kind of...
You sure?
That's what he said. I don't know. Yeah, that's what he said. Hi, afternoon. How much for your jellies? Hardish. Not so tough, but can't eat with like sugar and them thing. You get the other ones? Yeah. So somebody?
No, I just chop the thing, but choose so hard.
You didn't want it? Okay. I like it hard. Try it for you. Let's try it for for
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Sorry, we'll walk with it. Put this one down. We can chop the next one. So I got some coconut water or fave. And we got 2 jelly coconuts. You know, I'm gonna mash up them here with some sugar later. And this is a good amount of water, but usually I get this from like 1 coconut. But you know, the guy literally mentioned that the harder the jelly, because I wanted some with like hard jelly, the less water is gonna be in the coconut, because when the coconut begins to mature, you know, most of the water is consumed and, you know, goes towards the formation of the jelly, which I don't know, but you know, I'm not study coconut analogy. But yeah, I guess I learned something new today, because I thought that the coconut just matured and whatever water was in it is the water that would always be in it, and like the meat, I don't know what I was thinking, but he has a point. So yeah, I literally was in the line. I'm literally go bust a little, it wasn't even a U-turn, bust a little V-turn, I don't even know, come out of the line, because I saw his truck like from all the way over the road. And if you know, we are coconut fans, love a coconut water, so I had to stop and get it.
I never even love coconut.
Why don't love coconut?
I don't like.
When I say we, I mean me and your father. We're not involved, because I don't know nothing good. Coconut water wash off your hearts, keeps you healthy. It's better than the juices and things that y'all love to drink, right?
No, it's not.
It
Can
is.
I have this?
Alright, let's go. Got our coconuts, I'm good to go. So let us go. Guys, let me show y'all this coconuts. Where did the fire come from? They must always in here. It's a bit hard. Harder than I like it, but it can work. So I usually put them in the fridge. But I'm not all that hungry. I'm gonna put these in the fridge. I also have breadfruit. This is the breadfruit. Probably roast that in the week. And as I mentioned, my grandfather said ackee, so I have ackee for the pick, guys. So I'm gonna herb and pick them now, put them to boil. And so I can, you know, kind of finish up what I've been doing. Yes. Drain them, let them sit for a while, because you know you don't like when the ackee wetty and softy. So while I'm working, all of that can, you know, be happening in the background. I'm a big multitasker, so if I can cook these in the meantime, that's gonna work out, and then later we can figure out, how we are going to prepare it, or what we're gonna add to it. So yeah, this is the ackees. I think I'm saying pick them from yesterday and put them down. Have some more here. Now when I look kind of hurtlish still. But yeah, it's a good amount. Good amount. So yeah, let's pick these. Who are you speaking to?
No.
Oh, it can't be me.
I'm speaking to myself.
Must be yourself. Because any day, name day. Any day, name day. You can go and set up the licking goal yourself. And you're around there laughing like you think this is funny.
Wow, Daddy. Wow, you're laughing.
Like him think say it's funny.
You think you're funny? Oopsie daisy. We hit the TV by accident. Mommy, I'll just set it off.
Give me a few minutes. This is what we're left with after we have done our removal from the skin. I think this is about a dozen ackee. Yeah, so this is a good amount. 3 in a pod. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this, and let's do a little transition, shall we?
Daddy, how many do you do? I'm gonna make some rice, corned beef, and ketchup.
So we're gonna be cutting up our seasonings. We have some bell peppers, onion, tomato, and a scotchy, of course. And usually I don't really use a lot of pepper, simply because the boys will be eating it. So I'm just gonna use like half of this. Let's wash this off and get them chopping. I'm just gonna wash these. They're washed. Just gonna go ahead and cut off. It's not a cup. Yeah. So the ackee is finally done, not too soft. I'm just gonna go ahead and drain it. Need all to go in the strainer, bro, so you can sit and drain for a bit.
Alright, y'all.
Hey guys, it is the next day and we are on the road. What am I doing? surprisingly, that's my bearer. But why they're bringing up to make up so much noise in the place? Either way, guys, it is Friday and we're out and about. We're on the road. We have a little special delivery today. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this package off to a customer of mine, and I had probably showed you guys like what the item was. It's actually a graduation dress for her. So I've been spending the past couple days just working on it. Hurry up and come across the boss man. So yeah, I've been working on it for her. So we're gonna do a little fitting today and see if it's to her liking, if she wants it a little tight or whatever the case may be, you know, any little adjustments that may be needed. So yeah, that's the plan today. And of course I did hook her up with like some little extra goodies in her package, as I always do for all of my customers. So I hope she loves it, and a huge congratulations, because listen, the girls are out here getting it done, and you know, I have to celebrate them, you know, girl power, womanhood and all that. So afterwards I am thinking of getting something to eat. Not really sure what yet, because as usual I can't make up my mind. But the boys mentioned yesterday that they wanted patties, so hopefully I can find like something to eat while I'm getting patties for them. And to be honest, I haven't been. What am I? Hey! I don't even stop singing out a patrol. Jesus. Either way, guys, I haven't been really into like the bag of fast food lately. Like my body has just been rejecting it. I don't crave it. One time I used to crave KFC, BK, whatever the case may be, Pizza Hut. But I no longer crave those things, and I feel like I want to do more like home cooked meals going forward. Like I was on the road all week and I'm like, listen, I'm not gonna cook. I'm not gonna buy any fast food. I'm just gonna cook at home, and I have been sticking to that. So I have not purchased any fast food all week. So I said, okay, Friday is gonna be the day where I purchase the fast food, and surprisingly I'm not craving anything. So I don't know, let's see how it goes. Let's see what we can grab for lunch. I will pick up a little bit later. The hips and the sleeve. The sleeves are big in your opinion? I like how it fits like up here. Hips are probably need to take like an inch or so off. And you say you want the sleeves as well. Alright guys, so did the fitting. Now we're gonna get some food. Usually I get food like at my local gas station. So let's see what they have today. Local gas station, I cannot be bothered. So what's this, jerk chicken?
That's baked chicken.
Oh, baked. A baked chicken. And what's this, stew chicken?
Baked, stew,
and nothing is in there. So that's bacon stew.
the baked chicken is 860. For the couple box, the large one, 1,030.
Alright, I'm gonna go catch a baked chicken. Thank you. Alright, give me 5 beef patties, please. There you go. Thank you.
No, not today, no.
So guys, the patties are secured. 5 patties. I'll probably eat one because I didn't really get anything inside, because I didn't really have much options. I only had like baked chicken, stewed chicken, and it never looked so, it wasn't that appealing. So that did not help me to make my decision. Speaking of indecisiveness, is that a word, indecisiveness? Indecisiveness. Speaking of indecisiveness, your girl needs to get her hair done. It's been a while and I'm trying to find a hairstyle that I want to do, and I can't find a hairstyle, people. I cannot find a hairstyle, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna link some options. 1, 2, 3, 50. I'm gonna link some options. She give me my change. I have no clue, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna link some options like right here of like different hairstyles that you think that I should do. And I'm gonna pick one because Jamaica has graduation next week and my hair is a mess. I can't be walking around in this wig all day every day. So I need a hairstyle. That's what I'm getting at. So the options are like Fulani braids, wig, which I don't think I should be wearing in the summer. A sewing, which would require me having to like process or cream like my leave out, and I don't know if I want to do that. So maybe I have to get a frontal, but I don't want to have to deal with the maintenance of a frontal. So when so me I come from, the girl is confused. I don't know what to do. So yeah, go on ahead and help me choose. I'm gonna give you all some options, but you can go ahead and leave your suggestions as well in the comments down below. I'll consider it, and hopefully by next week we can get our hair done and stop looking like a bum. Why am I talking so fast? So yeah, hopefully we can get our hair done, stop looking like a bum, and you know, just look cute on the vlog. So yeah, going for the kiddies now, and then we're gonna head home. Listen to me. So guys, we finally got the little munchkins and we're heading home. But what I forgot to mention is that today is actually Javi's last day of school. We'll have this little munchkin with us for a couple days, but Jamir has a couple more days left until his graduation. So we're just gonna go ahead and close out today's vlog right here. It's probably too long, you know. I've been trying to. Yeah, we know we're gonna tell them to subscribe. I've been trying to stay like 30 minutes max for the videos, so let me guys know if that's okay with y'all. But thanks again for watching. Javi Luke, what are you doing? Tell them thanks for watching.
If you were watching, subscribe and like. I'm gonna eat you tomorrow. Bye.
Oh my God. Bye guys.